Okay, let's be brave for a second. Nope. Let's just fix our cars.
Nobody loves paying for auto repair. We get that. It doesn't come with showroom lights or a giant bow on the hood, but it does come with something better. A car that runs, drives, and gets you where you need to go. Which brings us to the real question. Where does your money actually go when you pay for auto repair? And why repairing the car you already own is often one of the smartest financial decisions you can make.
Repairs can feel expensive because they're straightforward. There's no flashy showroom lights, and there's no stretched out $38 a month math. You see the full upfront cost, and if needed, there are financing options available through third parties. But this bill isn't just for the part. This is also getting the right answer and not guessing. Modern diagnostics involves quite a bit. It could be up-to-date scan tools, it could be software updates, it could be live data analysis, it could also be testing a system step by step, point to point. Cars today are computers on wheels. If you skip those diagnostic steps and just start throwing parts at a problem, you could find yourself double, triple paying for the same problem.
Next up, Service Advisor Dave steps into the tank with a pitch every driver needs to hear.
Hello Sharks! Today I'm here seeking $0 in exchange for why repair costs cost what they cost.
Show us the diagnostics. We're listening.
So good diagnostics means fixing what's actually broken, minimizing repeat visits, avoiding those unnecessary parts, and catching all of the smaller issues before they become into bigger ones.
We're in.
This is the part people struggle with the most. It's the labor. Labor isn't just time. It's also a technician's skill. You're paying for technicians who train constantly and work on every single model, make, year. They are accurate with diagnosing those problems regardless of brand, and they're also accustomed to using specialized tools where needed. Dealers tend to train on very specific brands and makes within those brands. We train to work on all of them. And that expertise is what we need to prevent breakdowns, repeat visits, or keep the vehicle running for as long as possible for you. Your repair cost also includes the quality parts that we stick to and use. It also includes our warranty, 3-year, 36,000, but also that accountability after the repair. We put our reputation on the line and back everything that we do here. So that means if something isn't right, you're covered. So that way it protects your vehicle and your budget. A $1,200 repair bill hurts, but it hurts a lot less than a $700 a month car payment. And that's not including insurance on top of that. So I feel it's worth repairing and investing into your vehicle. So that way you prevent breakdowns in the future, or you extend the life of your vehicle as you own it. The most affordable vehicle is the one you already own. Auto repair shouldn't feel like a gamble. A good shop would explain the why, not just the price.
If your car needs repairs, it's not a failure. It's maintenance. And repairing what you already own usually leaves more room in your budget for everything else you actually enjoy. If you want clear answers and honest diagnostics, stop by at Myles Auto Care Transmissions. We have 4 Berks County locations in Reading, Birdsboro, Sinking Spring, and Wyomissing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.